everyone, I hope all of you are doing fine and didn't miss me in the long run. I am back again with yet another video. So in this video, I will be showing you kind of tutorial on how I made a wall hanging using only and only the waste material. Now let's know what are the materials you will need to make the wall hanging. Firstly, you need the waste bottle like cold drink bottle or any distilled water bottle or whatever you have. Second one is you need some thread. I have taken the thread which are available in the filter bottle, the discarded ones. And then next you need some gum like Fevicol, Fevicryl, whatever gum you have, you can use it. You need some colors, that is acrylic color. Then you need a pair of scissors, cutter, and that's it. So let's see the entire process.
Firstly, cut the upper part of the cold drink bottle like this. Then apply glue. After that, wrap the thread in a circular motion. Now comes the best task, that is to paint the bottle with your favorite color. For me, black is my favorite one. You can use any color of your choice, but I have used Fevicryl acrylic color because it gives it a nice finish. Also, you may or may not color the inner part, it's completely optional. Do not forget to make a hole using a dental burr or a driller. Paint the other ones white, which is later on to be painted with yellow, because if you paint it with white initially and later on with yellow, it gives it a nice and a smooth finish and texture. Remember to paint the cap as well. So now we are ready with 4 of the small upper part of the bottle. Take a 5-liter bottle, cut off the upper part, and the upper part is to be used as a larger frame for the entire wall hanging. Now is the main task of wrapping the thread like this. So what you have to do is, firstly, you have to wrap it in a circular motion as you did it for this one, and then you have to wrap it in a vertical motion, and you will get this perfectly. You have to paint it next. Decorate it with small mirror pieces if you have, or do it according to your choice. Put the threads in the hole, and as I wanted this arrangement, I have done it this way. It's up to you how you tie those threads. Also, additionally, I have added some mirror pieces on the 5-liter bottle ka upper part as well. Ta-da! You are done!
So that was it for the video. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Also, an important announcement, I am taking customized orders where I will be providing you with decorative things like be it wall hanging or wall sticker or something, whatever you want, I will make that for you, and I will be charging only and only a very nominal rate. So whatever materials I will be using will be only and only from waste. Isn't that unique? So whatever orders I will be taking or whatever further videos I'll be putting on DIY, that will only and only be from waste materials, how I make it best. And let me assure you one thing, that when the people will see that, they will not know कि ये waste से बना है. When you will try to tell them, they will only know about it कि ये किससे बना है. And whatever orders I'll be getting, I'll try to make it, sustainable use of all the waste which I have. So you can tell me in the comment section below, how was it, how was the tutorial, did you enjoy this unique kind of idea, or also if you want to give any order, then also write it in the comment section below, or you can mail me the details. The mail ID I will be providing in the description box. So yeah, I hope that you guys are gonna support me in this small business and share this video as much as possible, and thank you so much.